Open your store in Amharic with Shopify now and confidently reach the Ethiopian market. Hello Xuro. Today we'll see how to open a Shopify store in Amharic and how to change the interface to Amharic first. Go to Shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. Enter your email address and password, then click Create Your Store. Now your Shopify store is open. Go to Settings, then Languages, and click Add Languages. Select Amharic from the available languages and click Add. Congratulations! Your Shopify store is officially set up in Amharic. Now go to Online Store and click Themes. Choose your preferred theme by clicking Customize. You can adjust your store's appearance like logo, colors, and text using Amharic. The next step is to list your products in Amharic. Go to Products and click Add Product. Enter your product's title and description in Amharic. Fill in the price and other details as well. Add product photos and click Save. That's it. You've opened your Shopify store in Amharic, customized its theme, and listed your products. Entrepreneurs in Ethiopia can now open their own online stores and offer them to the Ethiopian market in Amharic. Happy selling!